So in this video, I wanted to show you a few different tips for how to copy files. I will start by doing this in a document. However, everything I do is applicable to any of the Google Apps file types. So right now I'm in a document and I want to make a copy of that document. So one thing I can do is go up to File and down to Make a Copy. When you select Make a Copy, it will automatically call it Copy Of, and then whatever the name of the document is. I highly suggest editing this at this point so you don't have a lot of files that start with copy of. It makes searching a little bit harder. So I'm going to say New File, and that will give the name of the file, that new thing that you typed in. You also have this new option that allows you to decide where it goes. When you copy from within a file, it keeps it in the same folder that the original file was in. So here it says it's in this Weekend To Do folder. I can make a new folder if I want to put the copy in a new folder. I can also navigate backwards through my drive if I want to put it in a different folder. So as I go back, it's going out of subfolders to main folders. So if I want to, let's put it in prep. I'm going to say go. And I can select this as the final destination. What that means is it puts the copy in that particular folder. I'm going to say select. I have the option of sharing it with the same people. This is good if you want the same people to be able to access it, but it's not located in a file folder that they're shared on. If it is a folder that they're already shared on, you really don't need to check that button. When you say OK, it opens up your new file and it will automatically be populated in whatever folder you wanted it to be in. So that's one way to copy files. There is another way that you can copy files, and that's from directly in Drive. So I'm going to go over to Drive, and here I have a spreadsheet. When you right-click on a file, you get a drop-down menu that gives you a lot of different options. If you go down a little bit, you can see Make a Copy. When you select Make a Copy, what it does is makes a copy of that file in the same folder you are already in. So I'm going to click Make a Copy, and it shows up in that same folder, and it automatically gives it the name Copy Of Number Formats. So if you right-click on that, you can rename it, or you can open the file and rename it there. That's a couple of quick tips for renaming or recopying and renaming file types. I'm going to rename it right now. New numbers. So hopefully that was helpful and it makes your copying life a little bit easier so you do not end up with lots of copy ofs in your main Drive folder.